What's up, y'all? Back at it again. Today we're going to be talking about the easy steps for starting a YouTube channel for 2021. Now, if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, this is the right video for you. We're going to be quick, simple, let's get to it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google, okay? And you're going to make yourself a brand new email. I would suggest to do this one reason. One is because you don't want to get a bunch of notifications and a bunch of just spam and just things in your personal email. Trust me, I wish I knew this before, but now I do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go create, all right? And you're gonna either do manage a business, or for myself, I would suggest do it for yourself. All right, so once you have filled out the information, right, to create your account, name, last name, username, password. Show password? No, let's not. All right, sign in instead. Let's go next. Cool. All right, now you're proceeding. I never put in a phone number. Birthday will go January 1st, 1993. Why not? Gender, choose whatever. I'm gonna go male. Next. Information. Yes, of course. I've read all this information before, as we all do. So now you're gonna go ahead and sign in. So vrplayers213@gmail.com. We'll go ahead and put in our password now. Next. And if I'm correct, boom. All right, we'll confirm, skip. We won't do any of that. So now you're gonna go click your little icon and you're gonna create a channel. All right, this is exciting. This is exciting, my friends. So then from there, you're gonna see how to create a channel, right? And what you can do is you can use your name, which is for my personal account, Jonathan Rantes, I use my name, or you can go ahead and create a custom name. So we're gonna do a custom name, okay? Because why not? Let's see, is VR Players taken? VR Players. Create VR Players? Are you a thing? Did I just create a brand new YouTube channel? Hey, I just created a brand new YouTube channel. Let's go, fam. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, and then at this part, or at this point, you can now go ahead and upload a photo if you'd like. Suggest upload a photo. But yeah, that is the bare, okay, tell viewers about your channel. So you can go ahead and write your little description. Is that supposed to be capitalized? Is VR supposed to be capped? Let's go. All right. Let's see. So if you have a site, if you have an Instagram, you can add all this information here. And I would suggest to do that if you're serious about trying to grow a YouTube channel. You can go ahead and make yourself a second Instagram account if you don't want everybody flooding to your Instagram account, which totally makes sense. But you can do those things, and I would suggest to do that if you're serious. And the reason why is because it's going to allow you to point back to your YouTube channel. It's going to help just bring traffic, right? And that's what we want. So we'll go ahead and we'll just click save. We won't do anything else. And now you have a YouTube channel. All right, my friends, hey, if you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe. I'm telling you, we'll be doing more videos like this and just kind of walking through, like, what does it look like to create a YouTube channel, right? Like, what are the equipments you need? What do you need to know to create a YouTube channel? All right, it's not that hard. It's not. You just gotta be a little motivated. So I hope I motivated you. It's that simple. We just created a YouTube channel, and I might use this account. I don't know yet. We'll see. But hey, until next time, it's been an honor and a privilege. Have a good one, y'all. Cheers.